tragic incident was averted when police stopped a couple allegedly attempting self-immolation along with their 7-year-old daughter near the Odisha Legislative Assembly in Bhubaneswar on Tuesday. According to reports, the couple, hailing from Bose Kotasinghe area, was advancing towards the assembly when police intercepted them on Gandhi Marg. Sources said the couple had been distressed over their daughter's prolonged illness, which had not improved despite treatment. Eyewitnesses claim the parents were carrying inflammable materials and intended to set themselves and the child on fire in a desperate act of protest. Alert police personnel immediately intervened, preventing any harm to the family. According to sources, self-immolation is a criminal offence and necessary action can be taken. The couple has informed the collector about the health condition of the daughter, and the district administration has provided necessary help for the girl's treatment, but in vain.
এটা তখন আজ 7 বর্ষ হল আমার চালিছি যে পর্যন্ত ভালো হউনি ডক্টর কে তখন কইছেন এমস কো নেই এমস রে যেতবেলে রখা হলা তারপরে গোটে ছুঞ্চিরে তখন ফুড়ি দে আর মলম লগাই দেবে কেবে বি তখন ভালো হেবনি বলি কইলে সেদিবে আমি গোটে হতাশরে কাহা কোন গোটে বিচার করি এটা কালি রাতে গোটে ভাবলু ভাবি কে ଆମ ସାଇ ଭାଇ ମାନଙ୍କୁ କାହାକୁ 150 ମାଗିକି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମ ପାଖରେ 500 ଟଙ୍କା ଥିଲା ଗାଡ଼ି ଭଡ଼ା ଦେଇକି ଆସିଛୁ ଏଇ ଛୁଆକୁ ଦେଖାଇବୁ ଭଲ ଡକ୍ଟରକୁ ଏଇ ଛୁଆକୁ ଯଦି ଆମ ମୋହନ ବାଜୁ ଆଜ୍ଞାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖାମୁ ସେ ବିଚାର କ'ଣ କରିବେ ସହାୟତା କ'ଣ ମିଳିବା ନ ମିଳିବ ଯଦି କିଛି ଆମ କଥା ନ ଶୁଣିବେ ଏଇ ଛୁଆକୁ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଥୋଇକି ପଳେଇବୁ।